Hello everybody, my name is Casey from Home Quarters, and today's episode will focus on what to take note of when buying your first investment. Firstly, what type of property are you looking to make when you're making your first investment, right? Mainly there are different classes of property that you can purchase for your investment. Firstly, of course, what we are very familiar with, residential property. A lot of investors out there are purchasing second or third or more residential property for investment, right? Secondly, we can also invest in industrial property. I think it's a growing needs out there that people are growing towards buying and investing in industrial property. And thirdly, you can also invest in commercial property, stuff such as office, right, shop units, which you can purchase and also rent out for rental yield and also for capital appreciation in the future, right? So these are three types of property that you can consider when buying for investment. Number two, we should take note of when buying an investment is the time horizon and objective. What is the time horizon that you intend to hold the property for? Is it you are buying and in the short term selling it away within 5 to 7 years, or you're holding it in the more medium term for 10 to 12 years, or for a longer term investment opportunity for 15 or more years, right? These are time horizon that you have to set yourself together with the objective that you wish to achieve for your investment. My objectives such as, is this property purchase and investment meant to pass down the legacy to the next generation, and so that will coincide with buying it for a longer term time horizon? Is it for a shorter term needs whereby we are looking to flip this property in order to purchase either a bigger property or cash it out for other purposes? That will probably coincide better with the shorter or medium term needs, right? So this is one of the very important to consider when buying the investment property. Alright, so lastly, we'll talk about financing. When buying an investment property, it is important to look detailedly into finances, because for investment, it is no longer about the emotional connection with the property. It's all about the dollar and cents, the number. It must make sense. If you are able to do your own basic calculation, or you can actually sit down with a professional to do this, a calculation together with you, right? When buying your first investment, you probably already own a residential property. So one consideration is you will need to consider when buying a second residential property, if you choose to, is the additional buyer's stamp duty that you have to pay. We have another video separately just on that topic if you are keen, alright? So check us out there, right? Other than additional buyer's stamp duty, if you are buying a residential property, there are other factors such as loan to valuation, and meaning that the loan size for next residential investment property is going to be lower when you are looking to leverage and finance from the bank. If you are looking to buy a commercial or industrial property, things you have to take note for financing is that, are you looking to purchase it and financing it using your personal name, or you are looking to buy it using your company name? So these two different sectors do command different financing option from the bank. Alright, so there's a few things to consider when buying your first investment property or even a second property for those seasoned investors. Alright, so that's it for today's episode, and if you are finding it to be very helpful, do subscribe to this channel and also like us in our Facebook page, Home Quarters. Alright, thank you and see you on the next episode.